Ever wondered how AI can skyrocket your income effortlessly? Well, allow me to introduce you to AI agents. These are intelligent machines designed to perform tasks that would traditionally require human intelligence. They are revolutionizing the way we generate income, and here's how. AI agents are tireless workers. They don't need coffee breaks, they don't get tired, and they certainly don't need sleep. They can work round the clock every day of the year, making money for you while you rest, play, or focus on other important things. But that's not all. AI agents are not prone to human errors. They follow a set of instructions to the letter, reducing the risk of costly mistakes. And the best part? They can handle a multitude of tasks that were traditionally done by humans. Managing social media? Check. Building email lists? Check. Creating websites? You bet. Imagine having an army of AI robots making money for you 24/7, 365. With AI agents exposed, this isn't just a dream, it's your new reality. You might be thinking, I don't have the skills to use AI. Well, think again. AI agents aren't just for Silicon Valley geniuses. In fact, they are designed to be incredibly user-friendly. You don't need a PhD in computer science to harness their potential. These AI agents are like your personal digital assistants. They can manage your social media accounts, interact with your followers, and even post content on your behalf. They can build email lists, growing your subscriber base while you sleep. They can even create websites, complete with search engine optimization, in a fraction of the time it would take a human. And the beauty of it all? You don't need to know a single line of code. The sophisticated technology is wrapped in an intuitive interface that anyone can navigate. So, let's dispel the myth that AI is out of reach. AI Agents Exposed brings you into a brand new world of opportunity that is about to take over the world. The opportunities to make money with AI are endless. Just picture this. AI agents diving into countless niches and industries, from e-commerce to content creation, from real estate to digital marketing. These intelligent entities don't just participate, they dominate. They bring forth an unparalleled level of efficiency, accuracy, and scale that's humanly impossible to achieve. You're no longer confined to what you know or where you excel. With AI agents, any niche is your playground. Now, you can profit from services that cost thousands of dollars without any effort. Are you ready to take the leap into the future of income generation? AI Agents Exposed is your gateway to a realm where money-making tasks are automated, no specialized skills are required, and the opportunities are endless. Imagine dominating any niche on demand, all while leveraging technology that works tirelessly and without error. This isn't a scene from a sci-fi movie, it's your new reality. Seize this incredible opportunity. Check the link in the description and start making a ton of money today with AI Agents Exposed.